Ready to ace your math exam without breaking a sweat? Let's do this. First, get organized. Break down your study material into manageable chunks. Use a planner or a simple to-do list to keep track of topics. Next, practice, practice, practice. Work on past exam papers and sample problems. This helps you get familiar with the question patterns and timing. Don't forget to join study groups. Discussing tricky problems with friends can offer new perspectives and solutions. Plus, it's more fun than studying alone. Third, keep your basics strong. Ensure you understand fundamental concepts before moving to advanced topics. It's like building a house. Start with a solid foundation. And here's a pro tip. Teach what you've learned to someone else. Explaining concepts out loud can solidify your understanding and highlight any gaps. Lastly, take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat well, and take breaks. A fresh mind is a powerful mind. Remember, preparation is key. You've got this. Go tackle that math exam with confidence.